Hello, this is Mrs. Estock, and this is a short video on how to use your iPhone to record and edit lessons. The first thing that we're going to want to do is open the iMovie app on your phone or your iPad. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to press the plus and we're going to create a new movie. So tap on Movie. And the next thing we're going to do is add our media. So you'll see under media you have lots of options. I like to put mine into a favorites folder since I record a lot of video for class. Be sure to tap on the items in the order you would like them to appear in your video. Using your finger you can slide over the video and make sure all of your clips are there. Once you're done, go ahead and slide your video to the left back to the beginning so we can add the title slide. To add the title slide, press the plus button. We're going to use the camera to take an image. We want to go ahead and take a plain photo. I like to use a plain black photo by turning off the flash and putting my finger over the lens. Once you have a photo you're happy with, go ahead and tap on Use Photo. Tap on the image on your timeline and it will allow you to adjust how long you would like this title slide to play for. You may also tap on the T on the little menu to the bottom left and choose a text style that you would prefer, and then go ahead and edit your title and any other information you would like on your title slide. The next thing you want to do is edit the sound and the speed on your video clips. At the bottom you'll see a menu. The timer will allow you to adjust the speed of your clips. If you're doing a lengthy demonstration, it may be good to go ahead and speed that up. And I also want to turn down the sound using the little speaker icon at the bottom. This allows me to do voiceover, add music, and then I don't have to worry about any sound in the background as I'm recording, which would cause me to have to record my video again. You may find that you forgot to add something, or as you can see on my video, there was a clip that was in the wrong order, so I am deleting it. I'm going to go through and just scan through the video that I have so far and make sure that things are in the right order. And then I'm going to hit the plus button. I'm going to scroll back to the beginning of the video and make sure I'm in the right place. Once I hit the plus, again, I'm going to go back to my favorites and find that one clip that needs to be at the beginning, and I'm going to hit the plus and add that back to the beginning of my video. So you want to go ahead and review your video. Make sure that you have turned down the sound on all of your clips. Make sure that the video is the length that you want. Don't forget that you can use the different icons at the bottom of the screen to be able to edit the different lengths of the video. Make sure everything is in the correct order. Make sure your sound is on. If there is a section of video that you find that you don't need, use the scissors icon at the bottom of the screen. Remember, if you don't see your icons, you just need to tap on the little section of video on your timeline. By using the scissors icon, you can actually click on the video and you can split it, and you can either shorten or completely delete sections that you find unnecessary. One tool you can also use is the magnifying glass that says pinch to zoom at the top right corner of the screen. And you would just simply click on that, and then you can use your fingers to zoom in or zoom out on your video or your images. We're going to add the end credits by pressing the plus sign, and you're going to use that image that you took earlier with your camera and add that to the end of your video. Again, if you click on it, the T will come up and you can add the text style that you would like, and then click on the text and edit. If you have multiple things that you want to add to the end, you can add more than one of these images, and it will basically play as separate slides. Again, don't forget that you can click on it and drag the bar to the right or the left to decide the length of which you would like each of these credits to play. Next thing we want to do is add the voiceover to our video. Be sure to tap on the timeline and slide the video to where you want to begin your voiceover. Tap plus and then tap on voiceover, and then it will bring up your option to record. Go ahead and tap on record when you are ready. go ahead and then record whatever voiceover you want, and then when you are done, tap on stop. When you tap on stop, you will see some options to either cancel, you can retake it, you can review it, or you can accept it. Next, we want to add a theme and music to our video. Click on the settings wheel on the right underneath the question mark. You can put a filter on your video, you can choose a theme, make sure that you click on the slider to turn the theme soundtrack on. At this point, you can go ahead and see if you like the theme music. Remember, you can go back to the settings wheel and choose a different one if you'd like. It's really important that you click on the green bar, which is going to be your theme music soundtrack, and you want to click on the speaker icon and turn the sound down on that. Otherwise, it will be louder than your voice on your voiceover. Next thing I'm going to do is prepare to upload my movie and save it. I'm going to click on Done, and then when this window opens, I'm going to tap on the title and then go ahead and change my title. When you are done, you're going to use the little share icon at the bottom of your screen that looks like a little box with an upward arrow on there. For the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use my slider of my different options, and I'm going to share my video to YouTube. This makes my videos accessible year after year, easy to find. I'm going to go ahead and edit my description so that whether people are following my channel or students are trying to locate a specific video that there may be multiple topics, they can look at the descriptions and find the correct video that they are looking for. After editing the video description, you may also add some tags which may make your videos easier to find. I know I share my videos with other ceramics people, so sometimes they're looking for a specific topic. I also want to make sure that the size is 720, which is recommended. That's usually what I upload most of my videos to, unless I'm going to be showing them on something different and I need them to be higher or lower format. And then I'm also going to make sure I check the privacy. Most of my things are listed as public. For this, I chose private because this is just a test video. And I'm going to export my video to YouTube. Once it's done uploading, the YouTube will come up. I'm going to visit that and I'm going to go and grab my link. Another way also is you can export or save your video. I would recommend doing that as well. Save it at the highest resolution that you can, and then you can save it in your drive or your photo library so you can find it there as well.